Hello everybody, I'm Jesse Summer, and today I'm going to be forging a bottom fuller. So I'm going to be starting a new series where I am going to be forging all kinds of different tools to be better prepared for different projects. Most of these I've never made before, so you can learn along with me. But right now I've got some 1-inch square bar in the forge, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so at this point the shank is pretty much down to the size that we need to forge it to. So now I'm going to go ahead and start upsetting it so that it fits into the hardy hole real nice and we get some nice shoulders. Alright, so I'm at the point now where I've got the shoulder nice and established. Everything's looking nice and clean and crisp. So that the shank is 2¼ inches long, and then the actual working end I marked off 2 inches, and then I'll cut that off on my hot cut hardy tool, and then I can go ahead and start forging in the actual for the fuller. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Alright, so as you saw, I got that cut off. That worked pretty well. And then I just hot filed it a little bit so that I don't get any cold shuts whenever forging in the rest of the shape. But now that that's all done, I've got it back in the forge. If I can pick it up. Got it back in the forge. So then I'm going to do a two-sided taper. And then that should get me pretty close to the shape I'm going for, and then we can clean it up on my belt sander a little bit and get a nice clean working end. Alright, so now that it's all forged, I'm going to go over to my 1x30 belt sander with a 36 grit benchmark abrasives belt and get this all cleaned up, and that's gonna be it. Yeah, I'll go do that off camera, and then I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so as you can see, this cleaned up really nice. Now I've got a very usable hand forged bottom fuller. This is going to come in handy for a whole bunch of different projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of forging this bottom fuller. Please be sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for the next episodes of this tooling series. And I think this turned out really well for my first ever making this tool. So have a good day.